Hello students, today we are going to solve fifth problem of structural steel. Question is given as chrome and nickel are added to steel to improve. Now the first option is corrosion resistance and high temperature resistance. Next one is strength, another one is ductility, and the last one is weldability. Now we know that steel is weak in fire and corrosion resistance. So to improve corrosion resistance and high temperature resistance, chromium and nickel are added to steel. That's why option A is the correct answer of this problem. That is all about this problem. Thank you very much, students.